Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Neil, and today's video is a fun one because we're checking out my Rlaarlo JK07 RC Pro crawler, and let me tell you, this thing is huge. It's a 1/7 scale truck, and honestly, it's an absolute beast. Now, this is the brushed version, which came as a complete package with a battery and charger. You can go for the brushless version if you want more power, but that'll set you back about another $300. If I remember right, I paid around $500 for this one. But anyway, let's take a closer look at the truck before we get it out for a drive. Straight away, sitting on those soft, grippy tires, it just looks awesome. And there's loads of attention to detail here too. Things like working wipers and a full lighting setup. You've got daytime running lights, indicators, brake lights, reverse lights, and of course those spotlights on top. It really brings the whole thing to life. Now, one downside, the doors don't open, so if you're thinking about adding a driver or passenger, you'll have to get into the cabin from underneath. That's actually something I'm planning to tackle in a future video, so stay tuned for that. Okay, let's pop the polycarbonate shell and see what's going on underneath. Under the shell, you'll find an all-aluminum drivetrain, which is really nice to see. Rlaarlo has done a great job here, and the materials and overall build quality feels solid. Just a side note, the stainless steel chassis armor doesn't come as standard, but is well worth investing in. The chassis is built from 6mm aluminum beams, and it's running 120mm adjustable metal hydraulic shocks, so it's fully set up for some serious crawling. You've also got selectable 2-wheel and 4-wheel drive right from this controller, plus front and rear remote locking diffs, which is awesome for tackling different terrain. And on top of that, a 2-speed transmission. Control-wise, it comes with a 10-channel transmitter with a range of around 350 meters. The battery tray fits packs up to 164 by 49 millimeters and uses a standard XT60 connector. Rlaarlo say the electronics are splash resistant, but I'll probably be adding a bit more waterproofing in a future video just to be safe. Now, you might have noticed I've removed the overlanding gear that originally came with the truck, things like the roof tent, ladder, and recovery boards. They do look great, no doubt about it. But for me, it's all about customization. So instead, I've 3D printed my very own rear box with accessories to give it a more unique look. If you guys are interested in those files, just drop a comment and I'll make them available for you to print yourselves. All right, let's take this thing outside and see what it can really do. Quick heads up before we roll the footage. This was filmed before I removed the overlanding gear, and I also mounted a couple of onboard cameras to give you some cool angles. So sit back and enjoy. As you can see, the truck performed really well and handled most obstacles thrown at it without much trouble. Of course, it's not perfect. That rear overhang can catch it out on more technical terrain, and at higher speeds it does have a bit of body roll. But honestly, with a few small tweaks, this thing is an absolute beast. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you would like to see future videos on this truck and others, please like and subscribe. It's much appreciated. But until the next one, thanks for watching and bye for now.